Hi folks, got another winter scene for you here. Did this one, mountain just appeared just by chance really, just that little bit, and then I just sort of put that bit in just to complete the illusion. So you'll see the colours and the brushes down in the description, so let's just crack straight on. Right then, let's kick it off with a bit of water and then a bit of raw sienna, crimson, actually crimson, ultramarine, bring the horizon, something like that. I'm just going to bring it a little bit lower, I think. Bring the horizon about a third of the way up. Something like so. Introduce a little bit of brown, darken it a little bit. Bit of red in there as well. I'm going to pop in some distant trees. In there as well. But I actually like mountains. That's unintentional, but it does look. I'm wondering now if to just expand that maybe. If I just follow that down there and just pull that across. That little mountain range, purely by accident. And if I just switch to my, actually, I just want to scrape in a little cabin first, get that flat. I'm going to have one there. Let's have another one there. That one's head on. And now another one down here. Scraping a few random details. I even have a few poles and things. If I switch to my little sword liner brush, pop a few trees and whatnot in there. A few things going up there. These are grown in front of these cabins, so I'm just putting them. So another one there like that. That one a little bit bigger. adding a few little posts and things, a few random little marks. Come back to that in a minute. I'm going to pop a path in, and I want a path. Sort of a little, something like so. And then let's pop a little bit of Winsor in there, just warm it up a little bit. A few marks in there, just scuff that up. And an umber. Going back to the sword liner brush. A few little random marks on here. It's just a weak blue wash. Get rid of all that nice snow effect. Now switch to the little size 0 rigger. I'm just going to pop in a little man, just trudging. I normally do them going the other way actually. I've tried to do them going to the left and I've made a bit of a mess of that, to be honest. You know what, I'm going to rub that out. Let's just rub it out. Just a bit of water and a clean tissue. I'm just rubbing that out. Now then, let's try it again. Little shadowy colour. pulling shadows from these. Stick a bird up there, up in the sky somewhere. I'm just going to resist the temptation to do any more. I'm just going to sign this one in the corner and call that one finished. So let's see what it looks like with a mount on it. So here's the finished painting. Got one or two issues with it which I'll explain now. First, I think I might have used just one or two many colours in this one. Normally I use a limited palette when doing this sort of thing. Number two, I've got I brushed this in off camera just at the end. I just thought might want a foreground shadow cutting across. As a result, I've got two different toned shadows. I've got a dark one there and a light one there. Never really looked in real life. I'm assuming all shadows are the same sort of tone. I'd have to experiment with that or do a bit of investigation. But I think this shadow, maybe if it was a bit deeper and then cut right the way across, might have worked a bit better and sort of gave a better sort of light, better source of light. I've just noticed these sort of slight, just very subtle suggestion of telegraph poles and stuff, and I've sort of done them about a third of the height of the trees, which there's a bit of a scale problem with that. Other than that, I think if I'd have got if I'd have just reduced the colours slightly, it might have worked a bit better. I quite like the way that this mountain just appeared, just purely by chance. I wasn't intending to do a mountain, but I thought it looked like a mountain, so I sort of stretched the rest of it just to give that a mountainside feel, and then just did one just going up the other side there, just give the impression like cutting through, like imagine walking down here and then into a valley over yonder. And we've got our path cuts through to our little man there. Took a couple of attempts, but I got there a lot more pleased with that figure than the initial one as he walks over through the trees to the little cabin. So I hope you enjoy that. Thanks as always for your support, especially over at patreon.com/Stephen Crone. If you do get the chance to join me over there, you're very much welcome. And if you've got any questions, please ask, and I'll see you again soon.